Welcome home to 538 River Shire Place, where home meets convenience. Enjoy single-family living without the worry of yard upkeep. Poplar River Shire is desirable for the high school district award-winning Stevenson, gated community, and common areas located near shopping and park trails. Enter this two-story home with all 3 bedrooms on the same second floor level. 2-story vaulted entry greets you. Open floor plan offers spacious rooms perfect for family gatherings. Check out this chef's kitchen, a perfect template to design your colors and favorite tools. We love this breakfast nook and adjacent family room. Boasting 3,500 plus square feet, you'll have room for all your family activities without feeling cramped. The primary bedroom has architectural details and large closet with room to spare. Soak in the separate tub, enjoy your own space with dual sinks. All 3 bedrooms are generous sizes with natural sunlight. Just imagine relaxing, spending time with family in a well-managed neighborhood with a gatehouse. Remarkable, rare Rivershire. Come for a visit, stay for a generation. Welcome home to 538 River Shire Place in Lincolnshire.